Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a Kia Rio. This model is a 2018. It's going to be the same thing from 2011 all the way up to 2020 something. So as long as your car look like this or older, it's going to be the same procedure to change your battery on this car. Okay, so what you want to do now is open your hood. Excuse this car, it's a mess. Go ahead and open the hood right there. And we can go ahead and look under here. You'll see this lever right here. Get some light in there. Alright, you're gonna see this black lever. You wanna move it to the side like this and go and lift up. Alright, so you want to hold the hood up with your right hand and get your left hand and put this in here like that. And then right here gonna be your battery. And if your car look like this underneath, it's the same procedure, okay? Same thing for the Sonata. Not the Sonata, same thing for the Elantra and some other cars. Alright, so let's do this. The Elantra, the Kia Rio, and the Forte, same thing. Alright, so the next step is to get your 10mm with a ratchet handle. So you can use this to take it off like that, alright? Because you can use this because I'm against the clock. This is what I use, alright?
Oh, but you didn't order really for a crack or the other day, they sent me a bill that somebody went down the street said it was from here that they ordered a point. They gave them the part.
Get your 12mm, go along here. Remove that, and you can take out your battery. Alright, so now the battery is out and time to get the new battery and put it in. Alright, and it's going to be 47 series battery. Alright guys, so I got the new battery right here. Finally, I had the battery out for a while. Go ahead and put in the new battery and go ahead and put on my battery holder right here. Because the battery can go left and right. Gotta make sure it's all the way to the left. Alright? Facing the car. So I get your 13mm. Not your 13, your 12. Tighten down your battery. Battery is nice and tight. Get back your battery sleeve. Put that on. Go ahead and get your positive cable along with your 10mm right here. And also get your you can hear the key in the ignition. put on your negative cable. And so let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and crank the car up with the camera rolling so you guys can see that's nothing that's gonna happen. Oh, I left the light on. Remove the light. Go ahead and crank the car up. And as you see, all the light went off. So you see I have no light there. Zoom in, that's the door light. Go ahead and close the door and that one will go off also. Okay. Only thing next is your time right here, and you can just simply press clock right there, and the time is 3 p.m. So go ahead and set your radio to 310. Okay, so 310 December the 17th, 2019. So press enter right here. Oh, you press back. Yes. And the time is set up there, as you can see right there. Alright guys, thank you for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Please go ahead and help support the channel. Give me a like if I help you. Leave a thumbs up if I help you. And thank you guys for your love and support. I really enjoyed. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. But thank you guys for being there for me. I really appreciate it. Alright, so I set the time and the date. So thank you guys. Peace out. See you next time. Alright, and the other thing is your protector. It helps protect against corrosion. If you have it, you have it. If you don't have it, still will be okay. Alright, no problem there.